Now for the j counter, your loop will start from 0, then j is less than 2 and j plus plus. Okay, that means I am having two loops and executing this one statement using these two loops. So what is your program? Here I am accepting elements from the user in 2 by 2 matrix. That means I can accept at a time 4 elements from the user in this program. Now your first loop is using I counter, that is I is equal to 0, I less than 2, I plus plus. Inside this loop you are having one for loop and one scanf statement. Again you can add braces for j loop also, so that it is more clear to you, and then close that j loop. Okay, if your loop is having only one statement, then there is no need to add braces, but for more clarity you can add it, so that your concept will clear. Okay, so this bracket of j will close at this, and the bracket of I will close at this position. Now let us check the execution of these two loops. Initially I am having I is equal to 0, so value of I is 0. Now you are checking whether it is less than 2 or not. Okay, it is less than 2. Now it will go for second loop, that is j is equal to 0. So at this stage your I is 0 and your j is also 0. So it is first iteration of I loop and first iteration of j loop. Okay, and in these two loops what you are doing, you are accepting element from the user at the location of a of ij. So your first element will store at the location of a of 0 0, as your I is 0 and your j is also 0. Okay, now next step is what? Value iteration of j will complete first, then after it will go for second iteration of I. That means when I is equal to 0, j will execute for 0 and 1, and after completion of this execution it will go for new value of I, that is 1. Now my I will 0 and j will become 1. So it is first iteration of your I loop while second iteration of your j loop. Now your I is 0 and j is 1, so that your element will accept at the location of what? A of 0 1. Then again third iteration of j, so j will become 2. Now your condition will become false, while because you are checking it with 2, so 2 is not less than 2, so j loop will exit at this stage. That means you are accepting two elements of j iteration. Then now go for second iteration of I. At this stage your I will become 2. Now I is 2, sorry, I will become 1. Now it is your second iteration for I, and j will become 0 because you are again start your I loop. So it is the first iteration of your j loop. Now your element will accept at position a of 1 0, so that your third element of your array will accept by the user. Now j will again become 1 and I is 1, so it is your last iteration, that is fourth iteration. Now I is equal to 1 is second iteration, and j is equal to 1 is also second iteration of j. So your element will accept at location a of 1 1. Okay, so it is for your printf. sorry, it is for your scanf. That means you are accepting 4 elements using these 2 loops. Now same will happen for your printing elements. So you can copy this code as it is and only change this statement as now you want to print that elements from the user. So write here %d and a of I, j. Iteration will be same as we have seen for scanf. Now let us check the output. We can erase this. Okay, what is the error? Declare your counter I, j.